What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Simon Onyango and I make videos, random videos on how to be successful in life, how to make money online, vlogs and whatever it is, blogs, vlogs, whatever it is. So in this video, I want us to discuss 7 important skills that will make you a lot of money in 2022. These are skills that if you learn, you can make a lot of money in 2022. You know, the more skills you have, the more money you will make. Definitely, okay? So let's get started. Skill number 1 is, as you have guessed, I'm a programmer. Skill number 1 is coding. Coding, the world right now is going into technology, and every business is trying to have a digital space. Every business, either small or big, they are trying to get into the tech space. They are trying to make their businesses run on current technology, you know. They are trying to acquire POS, they are trying to acquire websites, they are trying to make some AI predictions, you know. So with all this happening, programmers makes a lot of money, okay? So programming is one skill that can make you a lot of money in 2022 going onwards if you want to make money. So it's an high income skill. You can learn programming on internet. You can read my blogs. You can talk to me. You can talk to any blogger about tech blogger. You can go to Udemy. You can go to Coursera. You can go to Udacity, Pluralsight. There are several content about programming you can find on the internet. Personally, I also make content on programming especially for very green beginners. I also teach that in Westland, so you can hook up with me if you want to learn programming. Another thing, programming, you can make money with several ways. If you are into programming, you can be a freelancer, you can make your own systems, you can make software as a service and sell, or make it and manage it, and then people subscribe weekly. You can make apps and sell. You can do quite a lot of things with programming. There are several ways you can make money. You can even teach a skill and make money, okay? Yeah, so you can teach on these courses, programming courses on these sites that I've just mentioned. Number two is marketing, digital marketing. I'm currently employed and I work as a digital marketer besides being a computer scientist. This is because there is high demand of digital marketers right now. I get these offers frequently. I've got several offers for digital marketing, and I've not gone to school for digital marketing. I don't have any certification for digital marketing. It's just something I learned for my own business and then shared it with my friends, and my friends now giving me referrals, you know. They tell people, oh, I know my friend who does this. I know my friend who can do this for you. So it's something that you can learn. Digital marketing, you can learn about search engine optimization, content creation, a little of graphics design, keyword research, email marketing, lead generation, all those stuff. Once you learn them, you be assured you will get a job. You can get jobs on Fiverr, those freelancing sites. Anywhere, basically, you can get a job with digital marketing. And it's very easy to learn. It's one of the skills that you don't need the learning curve is not steep. It's very gentle. Anybody can learn it. You don't need any computer skill or any technical skills to start learning digital marketing. And then getting job is very easy. You apply, tell them what, you know. It's very easy to review review their social media, and then tell them, we can improve your presence, online presence, if you do this and this and this. Oh, it also involves running ads for both Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever ads you will run. So it's campaign. It's just a process you learn, and then once you learn it, you are good at it. You stay reading new articles and getting better at it. Skill number 3 is graphics design. With all this marketing going on, people need to have very nice graphics on their pages. You know, they want to up their games, and to do this, it's very important to they get graphic designers. So graphic design is something that is on the trend right now. You can learn it because it's not going to disappear anytime soon. Of course, there are some tools that make it very easy to do graphics design, like Canva or Paint My Wall or something. But most people still believe it's so hard for them. So it's very easy. You don't have to learn Photoshop to become a graphics designer right now, though it's recommended to do it that way. But if you have interest in graphics design, you can start with these simple tools as you perfect your skills on the other one, so that you grow. One of my major roles in my first job that I got in Mombasa was graphics design, and I used Canva all the time. And Canva, by the way, once I get Canva, whatever I find that I can't do with Canva, I used to tell my friend who was good at Photoshop, ask them how to do it, or they do it for me and pay them something small. As you learn, right now I'm good in Photoshop. I wouldn't say perfect, but I'm still learning Photoshop because I use it a lot now. Number 3 is content creation. Can you create content that people engage with? Can you create content that can sell? If you can learn content creation and become perfect at it, like if you make a content about domain names and hosting, and then people will buy domain names. By the way, talking of that, go to my subscription if you want to buy go to my description below if you want to buy any domain name or hosting space. I have Namecheap. I use Namecheap a lot for client projects or personal projects because they have very good customer service. Their customer service is very good. They have very, I would say, they don't have downtimes as much as other companies, and then they can help you set up your website within minutes. They have soft colors if you are a WordPress developer. Emails, they give you several emails, even for the cheapest version. So check out Namecheap, use my link below, and yeah. So I was talking about content. If you can make good content for these social media pages for businesses that can sell their services, then you are good for it. You can make money in 2021. You can even start your own blog, do affiliate marketing in it, and make money with it. It's something that it's on demand right now. Because I told you companies are going online and they want to make content for their pages. They want to make content for their blogs. And this content will not just be content for the sake of content, but they will be content that can translate into either sales or get leads or something of that sort. Another skill that you need to learn is sales. You don't have to learn all the skills. You can learn 1 or 2. But sales, I did some few research and realized that in Nairobi, most youths between age 19 to 24, they are basically working and earning a living with sales. They either sell fiber, they sell Zuku, they sell tariffs, they sell lines. If you can perfect your sales skills and start selling maybe real estate items, houses, lands, cars, you can make huge commissions, I would say sales is slightly different from marketing. For marketing, it's a different story, digital marketing, but now sales is where there is instant money. You sell this, get that one. That one you are employed, yeah, or sell your own stuff. They are close, but a little bit different. Sales, you talk to someone one-on-one. You want to convince me to buy a 4 million car or 15 million worth of a house. So it's not something you want to tell me on a blog post or on you want to do some search engine optimization for me to come. It's a little. I hope you get the difference. Huh? Now the sales is more of one-on-one. You talk to me, convince me that this house is at the best place in this and this and this and this, and then I buy it. And then you get your commission or you get paid if you that's the agreement you have with your employer. Video production, whatever I'm doing now, this is video recording, I don't know. But video production, I know a lot of people are starting to make videos, and if you can get into video creation, a lot of money is in this video space. For instance, on YouTube pays people a lot of money. Even Nivai, for instance, making something close to 2 million every single month. You can imagine. So video production is something that going forward from 2022, going forward is something that you can learn and be sure to make some cash out of it. Because a lot of people wants to learn online. There's a lot of things to learn. So everybody is going online with their videos. So video production, if you can make good quality videos, you can teach me and make me more money, or learn it for yourself, get a job. Someone can hire you very easily. Video production is one of the skills that I realize is going to be hot in 2022. And then lastly is copywriting. Copywriting is that process of coming up with ads or ad descriptions, ad copy, whatever it is, or emails that can translate into sales. So copywriting is this skill that companies pay a lot of money for. For instance, if my company, Inkman Kenya, wanted to do marketing, email marketing, I wouldn't just write an email and ask people, please buy this mug or whatever, but I would go and find somebody who has knowledge of copywriting, and then they come and write for me the email. They can write for me like 10 emails. I can go to Fiverr, get them write for me 10 emails or 20 emails consecutively with follow-ups, so that I can target my audiences or my subscribers or my customers that I'm trying to retarget, and then ask them to buy such a certain product, So if you can be good at copywriting, that convincing writing, if you're that convincing, you can start earning good money in 2022. So those were the skills that I thought I should share with you. Personally, I'll be perfecting my digital marketing skills, my graphics design skills, my content creation, and then I'm also going to try and video production. Of course, coding, I'm still learning coding, still practice. Otherwise, that is the end of this video. Glad you joined. I'm so glad you clicked. I'm so glad you watched till the end. Thank you, and let's engage. Tell me what you want to see in my channel next. If you want me to start sharing technical skills, technical knowledge about marketing, technical knowledge about sales, all the skills I know, I might start sharing them if many of you talk to me on comment section. You can also reach out to me on Instagram, and I'll be glad, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, and be safe.